Hey there, I was sent over this Apexcam to test and try out. This even comes with a harness that you can put and strap it to your dog and let them run around with it on. So let's take a closer look at it. So here's a closer look at all the pieces and everything that came with the camera. Of course, the box and all the packaging and all that. But you also get the user manual. I had to go and print the user manual online to actually know how to use the camera because none of that is in here. So I didn't really enjoy that. I'd rather have everything with it. I also did not feel that the user manual was as instructive as it could have been. I really would like, parts labeled and what I'm looking at. I feel like just the photos wasn't overly helpful for me. When I'm trying to learn it, it would be nice to know some of what it is. Obviously, I know what the camera is and this holds the camera, but some of these parts would have been a little more helpful had they been labeled better. Here are all the pieces, batteries, you got your remote back there, the dog harness over here. Let's take a closer look at the camera. So here's an up close look at the camera on. When you're doing stuff with the camera, it's all touchscreen. So you would actually touch there to change the resolution and then go in and change what you wanted. Change more features there, date stamp. Up here tells you how many pages it is. So there's only one thing here. If we go into settings, then there are 5 options. So you would scroll up to go to the next item, and then the arrow button to get back to the main screen. You can zoom in. So let's put the battery there. You can zoom in, zoom out. Here's your battery life up here. Microphone options. Up here in the corner is what mode. If you want video, video lapse, slow motion, portrait. Again, you have to scroll to get to the next one. Fast motion, photo, burst, photo lapse. Then if you slide your finger across, it will go back to that screen. So I do think it's a lot of hands-on learning. The user manual online was definitely a must for me to get on there and print that out so I'd have some kind of reference as I learn this. Let's take a look at what it actually took for footage. So in looking at this footage here, I really like how I can see where everything is. I think it's good at picking up color and detail, and I like that it can be filmed multiple ways. In using it with my dog, I didn't find it was super helpful because all I felt like I saw was the back of his head or the sky. He let me put it on without any issues and actually wore it like he didn't even realize it was there. But in regards to the footage I got for it, I was not super excited about that. I like these features. I like that it's small and compact. I like that it's waterproof. I do wish it was better with detailed instructions for someone that might be a novice like myself trying to learn how to use this. I feel that that would be helpful. Overall, it's a good camera if you're looking for something small, something that can catch a lot of coverage, something that you can wear on yourself or again on your dog. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.